Hello creative people, welcome back to my channel Live Your Dream. Today I'm going to talk about pearl beads used for hand embroidery. Pearls have fascinated and cherished the hearts of women for thousands of years. It has been the symbol of beauty, purity, perfection, elegance and prosperity. Pearls are most special beads that can make your embroidery, craft and jewelry projects look stunning by its elegance, charm and classy look. Pearl embroidery is a form of attractive needlework that uses natural or cultivated pearls of various sizes. Pearls are normally pierced. Piercing was a popular technique in European and Renaissance period for the embellishment of exclusive and religious garments. The best part of bead embroidery is that they look elegant. Pearls are unusual gems created inside living animals called mollusks, occurring naturally in wide range of sizes, shapes and colors. Any mollusk that produces a shell can produce a pearl. Today, pearls are produced by using both classic and contemporary techniques. They are coming in many more fashionable styles than traditional strand of pearls. There are various types of pearls available in the market. We'll look into different types of pearls that can be used in hand embroidery projects. Natural pearls occur randomly in nature without any human intervention. In the past, they were found in the Persian Gulf. When found, the pearls were harvested, cleaned, and used in the jewelry. They are extremely rare and are most expensive. Cultured pearls are initiated by an oyster farmer under controlled conditions using two different groups of bivalve mollusks. The technician inserts the bead into the mollusk. They are returned to water and cared for while the pearls are formed. South Sea pearls are cultivated by oysters. These are the largest and rarest of pearls. Due to their large size, growing them is meticulous and takes more time. This is the reason South Sea pearls are expensive. They are found in many shapes. They come in a variety of gorgeous hues ranging from silky silver to glossy white, golden, camouflage, and creamy pink to deep golden tones. As they are perfectly round in shape and smooth, they are widely used in pearl jewelry making and are the prettiest. Freshwater pearls are cultured in mussels. They are originated in Japan around Biwa Lake. They are natural, diverse in colors and shapes, not bigger than 7 mm. These are less symmetric and don't match each other on a strand. The irregular shapes are known as baroque or semi-baroque. This is what makes them unique and fashionable. They are available in color ranges from pure white to cream, pink to orange, and even lavender. These are affordable pearls for embroidery and jewelry making. Akoya pearls represent the best cultured pearls available today. They are known for their perfect round shape and metallic luster. They are regarded as classic white pearl. Most Akoya pearls are formed in Japan, China, and Vietnam. Tahitian black pearls are formed from black lip oyster. They derive their name as they were cultivated around Tahiti. These pearls come in various shapes, sizes, and colors. True black Tahitian pearls are extremely rare and are considered one of the most beautiful kind of pearls in the world. These provide a bold and exotic look. Basra pearls are originated from Persian or Arabian Gulf, which have legendary reputation in the world of gems. These are extremely valuable and treasured species. Most of them are of yellowish tint. Some have pinkish tint too. Imitation pearls are usually coated glass beads. Most of them have high luster, but the depth of the luster is not seen on high-quality cultured pearls. Jewelers can easily separate an imitation pearl from a cultured or natural pearl. Sometimes it is a challenge to determine if the pearl is cultured or natural. Many pearls undergo treatments to enhance their luster or to alter their color. We'll look into different kinds of imitation pearls. Crystal pearls are made of crystals. The best pearl beads for jewelry making are Swarovski crystal pearls. The quality of the pearl is amazing. The best thing is that they come in numerous lovely colors. They come in different sizes like 3, 4 and 5 mm. Glass pearls are beads that are coated by spraying with a chemical pigment which resembles crystalline layer of pearls. These pearls can easily make your design look phenomenal. The texture and finish of these beads are beyond words. They are available in various sizes along with beautiful colors. Neon acrylic pearls are perfect for making kids' jewelry and trendy embroidery designs. The lovely neon colors and weightless pearls make it very easy to incorporate them on any surface. Available in various gorgeous colors, these can make your projects very interesting. Please stay tuned for other embellishments used in hand embroidery. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for much more. If you like this video, please do consider to like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below to get the notification on our next updates. Leave your comments on the comment section. Do follow us on Instagram.